Hi everyone! Ray here. I'm not sure kung napansin nyo dun sa isa kong video, but medyo nag-iba tayo ng itsura ngayon. Hinati ko kasi yung hair ko on a different part because nabasa ko na dapat pala frequently mo palitan yung hair part mo to avoid weighing down sa isang spot lang, that which results to breakage. And para ma-block din naman yung roots ko na laging exposed to UV rays. So, ayan. Kaya tinatry kong palit-palitan yung hair part ko. Anyways, this video will be an update dun sa ininvest ko last year sa Gcash. By the way, kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano mag-invest sa Gcash, you can check this video. Titignan natin kung kumita ba ako or not. Don't forget to watch till the end of this video. Here in the Gcash app, let's go to GInvest, tapos GFunds. Kung titignan nyo yung investment transaction history natin, I invested nung April 10, 2022. So, nag-place ako ng buy order sa Atram Global Technology Feeder Fund. And then the buy order was completed noong April 11, 2022. So the amount I invested was 2,000 pesos. And that bought me 9.3730 units because the NAVPU or net asset value per unit was 213.379862 pesos. Okay, kaya 9.3730 ang nabili ko sa 2,000 pesos ko. Okay, so as you can see, as of today is August 2023, August 19, 2023, and ang value ng investment ko is already 2,317.32. Okay. So you can see na the graph was going up. Ang stocks inside this fund are Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet or Google, Samsung as of August 31, 2022. And it says here the fund invests entirely in equities of technology companies. Okay, so before ako nag-invest on this fund, of course, ni-review ko muna what companies this fund consists of. In order to know what a feeder fund is, pwede nyong i-check tong video na to. Okay, so you can see the other details dito. On this fund, the minimum buy order is 1K and the minimum sell order is 50 pesos. Minimum maintaining balance is 500 pesos. So based on the past 1 year return, 11.12% ang tinaas niya. So that's not bad. By the way, the fund risk rating is aggressive and according to the test I've taken, nung nag-invest ako, my risk appetite is moderately aggressive. Okay, now if I want to buy or sell again on this fund, I could just either select these two. So, buy, kapag bibili ako ulit, or sell. If gusto kong i-cash out yung money na in-invest ko. Okay, let's say, isa-sell ko yung na-earn ko. Ang na-earn ko is 317.32 pesos. You can also have the option to sell your entire investment. Of course, if clinic mo to, wala ka nang ini-invest sa fund na yon. Pero ako, I still want to keep my funds there, pero gusto ko nang i-secure yung earnings ko. So, 317.32 na lang yung i-withdraw ko. Right? Ang minimum amount to withdraw is 50 pesos. Minimum maintaining amount is 500 pesos. Pasok pa tayo kasi 2,000 pesos pa yung matitira sa akin. Again, next. You're about to place an order of 317.32 pesos, which equivalents to 1.2834 units. And indicative NAVPU is 247.233973 as of August 16. And it says here approximately 317.32 because the NAVPU changes. Kaya meron ding disclaimer dito na the NAVPU may increase or decrease daily depending on the fund's market performance. Because as you know, our earnings will depend heavily sa galaw ng market. Kaya you should know your risk tolerance. Kasi posible na we can earn here and posible din na we can lose here. Okay, tick the agree button or checkbox. And then, ito yung user agreement, redemption or sell order disclaimer. And then, basahin nyo lang and then click agree and then confirm. Okay, your sell order is being processed. So, the sell order was placed August 19. And ayan, nakatanggap din ako ng message from GInvest. You have placed a sell order of 317.32. Blah, blah, blah. The standard turnaround time for your sell order is 8 business days from transaction date. So, babalikan natin to and titignan natin kung kailan papasok yung earnings natin dun sa account. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. And let's go back. Okay. Go back to GInvest. So, meron pa yung order, yung full amount sa investment natin kasi pending pa yung pag-sell natin. Okay? Pending buy orders. Wala tayong pending buy orders but we have a pending sell order. So, ito yung kaka-place lang natin. Okay? Kung sakali man hindi natin na-sell, babalik siya dito sa account natin. Alright? So, it's that easy lang. And, ayan. So, makikita nyo, kumita ko ng 317.32 pesos with just a capital of 2,000 pesos. Not bad na din. I gained 11 point something % in just a year and a couple of months. So again, this is not always the case. Depende sa fund na ininvestan mo and the performance of the market. So possible na magka-negative tayo, possible na magka-positive tayo. Basta very important is that you buy low and sell high. So kapag nag-negative man yung account nyo, it's either you wait para tumaas ulit or you cut your losses. Cut your losses, ibig sabihin, i-withdraw mo na siya to avoid losing more money. Pero yon, floating pa rin yung amount na to unless you withdraw it. To know more about basic investing tips, don't forget to follow my channel. Fortunately, kumita tayo ng 11%. Of course, kapag mas malaki yung ininvest ko last year, mas malaki din yung kikitain ko. So, if for example, nag-invest ako ng 10,000 pesos last year, ang kinita ko sana ngayon is 1,100. Again, the result depends on the market. So, make sure to do your research before you invest on any fund. If you want to learn how to invest in Gcash, pwede nyo tong i-check. But then, if you want me to make an updated video, because that was 3 years ago, let me know in the comments down below. Again, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you. Bye!